What's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you Hulu on the Amazon Firestick. Today I'm going to walk you through the process and show you how to get this installed on your device. I'm going to also show you why you need this and why you should install it on your device today. If you don't already subscribe to Hulu, you definitely should. You can definitely subscribe to this for $5.99, or you can get the $40 competitive package that competes with YouTube TV. So you can definitely look into that. I'm not promoting Hulu, I'm just letting you know what it has to offer. And Hulu is one of those apps where if you do have internet on any device, you can most likely download Hulu to it. And that includes an Xbox, a computer, your mobile phone, any type of device, Amazon Firestick, Firestick Cube, any type of device. And also, if you check out the screen, you may have noticed that Hulu does offer a DVR service, so you can be watching something live and you can record it, or you can see a TV show or a movie or a type of series and you can also record that, and you can set pre-recordings for the future for that entire TV series. Alright, so I do want to go and just show you the top here. This is the search section, so they do have a trending search section, and I pretty much went through each category, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back to home. Alright, so if I go home and drop down, I'm directly under Hulu picks, and then you have your Hulu series there, and then if you go to the right, you'll see live TV or live now, and then if you start scrolling down, you'll see all the shows that are playing live right now. It also tells you the starting time. It tells you if it's live there under the little lightning bolt, and then it gives you a brief picture on the right hand side of what that show is. A lot of these shows are, popular shows that are always on television, and a lot of you might know these shows and keep track and keep up to date with these shows. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to show you each section. So under keep watching, you have a few things. You have my channels. Let me go through here and see if it shows all the channels. So you got HGTV, FXM, CBS, ABC News Live, that's local, TBS, Animal Planet, ABC, NBC, A&E, the Big Ten Network, Boomerang, Bravo, Cartoon Network, CBS News, CBS Sports Network, Cheddar Business, CNN, CNN International, Cozy TV, Discovery, Disney Channel, Disney Junior, Disney X, ESPN, ESPN, Food Network, Fox, Fox Business, Fox News, Fox Sports. And the list goes on. You have a number of television shows, and this is the competitive package. This is most likely the exact same replica of YouTube TV, but they both have their pros and cons to them. But it's also preference of how you want everything to be laid out. In my opinion, Hulu does a great job of laying things out and giving you plenty of options and categories to see your items from. So if we continue, you'll see March Madness. You can pick a team in there, and then you can specify which teams you want to watch specifically. You got your sports section here. And also, I did want to add on to the channel list. I didn't show you all of the channels, but they have a wide range of channels, and I do want to show you the whole list. And then I also want to let you know that you can buy Cinemax, Showtime, and HBO individual packages for additional costs. Hulu can also be compared to Netflix when it comes to Hulu original series versus Netflix original series. They all have the same thing and have very popular Hulu original series that people come to Hulu specifically for, so they can catch up on those shows. And we'll proceed through these categories. We're on home renovation, there's food shows, there's true crime, there's newly added TV shows, and then on the far right hand side we have newly added movies. And that's all of the sections there. If I scroll through here just to double check, and then I'm gonna make my way over to the live section next to home at the very top. So if we're on live, then the live TV automatically starts playing, but I'm gonna cut that off immediately because I can't play it due to copyright. but as you can see, it immediately plays. And then also, if you hit down on the channel that's playing, it'll show you all the channels and everything that's on. This is kind of like your TV guide to let you know how far into the show it is, what's on the television, what channel it is, and a brief description. And I'm just gonna go ahead and block this out. I'm gonna just blur it out, but it's definitely playing in HD quality, and that's definitely a plus. I don't ever see any buffering through this Hulu app. I'm definitely just gonna play something else just so I could show you this, just as another local news station, but I'm not gonna play that for too long, and we're going to go ahead and proceed. Alright, so this is the part where I can show you where you can record the TV shows. So basically, you click on the item to expand it by clicking the 3 lines on your remote, and then you click the center button on that record button there. You just click on it, and then it's supposed to turn red, and then you'll be able to go into your DVR manager, and that way you'll be able to start the shows, watch it, rewind it, do whatever you like. And this is just a quick overview of the channels and what's playing, and just a second in-depth look of what the channel list looks like. So if we hover over all channels, go down, I'm not going to show you everything, just a quick glimpse of what they have. Majority of these are local news stations, but if you scroll down, you'll get all your network channels. And then you have all these other categories, and you can arrange the TV guide in those categories. Okay, this brings us to browse. So we have network, TV shows, movies. If I click on movies, these are the movies that they have. These are the For You section. You pick interested kind of categories or genres of movies, and they kind of just arrange it here for you. They don't have anything, that's in the theater, but they do have majority of the movies that have come out on DVD, Blu-ray, or 4K movies. You can definitely check that out here. If we can continue over, you got your live movies that are playing right now on TV. You can stream those live. You got up and coming. You have popular, newly added. You have a wide range of movies here to choose from. You got featured. You got Hulu originals, which is huge because you can only watch these on Hulu. I'm just going to give you a quick skim through of these categories. Alright. We click on TV shows. This will show us all the popular TV shows. One thing about Hulu, they will have every popular TV show. Every TV show that's out right now, they're going to have every single show, every season. And you'll be able to stream that live also on Hulu. And they always seem to have everything up to date, so they'll always have the most latest TV show that you are currently watching at the moment. But overall, you can definitely get a feel for Hulu. You can definitely see that it's packed with content. There's limitless content here. If you include the live TV, the TV shows, the movies, everything that it offers, it's definitely action-packed here. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a few more of these categories, and then we'll jump over to something else, which will most likely be the search section and the features for it. Alright, so if we make our way over to the search at the top here, so we go over to search, you can use the keypad to search for certain items, or you can use the trending searches for popular TV shows that are out right now. But if I just put in here game, I was looking for Game of Thrones, but I typed that in there. As you can see, you can go ahead and click on the HBO add-on here, and you can do this on the fly. If you wanted to add HBO to your device, you just click HBO. It'll add that bill cycle for you on there for the additional price. But you can definitely check all that out here. When you click on an item, it'll just say watch movie, and then it'll immediately play. There's no delay with anything here. But this is definitely Hulu TV. I definitely want to go ahead and show you how to get this installed. I hope you enjoyed this overview, and now you can get a feel for what this has to offer. So if you were deciding to buy it or just take a look or get the free trial, you can definitely do so based on this video. So let's go and jump into the install, and we'll go to the home screen. Alright, so as for this install Hulu, This Hulu app is already on the Amazon Fire Stick app store, so we don't need any additional features. We don't need to turn anything on or off. All we need to do is go over to the magnifying glass and use this keypad down below, or you can use your Amazon Alexa voice activation, or just speak into the mic and say Hulu, or you can just type in Hulu using this keypad. And once you do, you'll just hit enter. So I used the voice activation, and then Hulu is the first app that appears. It's green, it says Hulu, and it should appear under apps and games. And once you do see that, you'll just click on it as normal, and then you want to click on download it. Alright, so that'll start to download, and then it should say installing, and then it'll give us the option to open it up. Alright, so we have the option to open it up, and the next thing we have to do is just click on open, and this will launch Hulu for the first time. Alright, so this is Hulu, and then you have two options. You can either sign up for your free trial, which is about a 7-day free trial, and you can also choose your plan, whether it be the lowest $5.99 plan or all the way up to the live TV plan, which is $40. So you'll just log in here. So if you just click on log in, and this is also if you already have a login account for Hulu, you can definitely just click login. If you don't, you want to click on just sign up for that free trial, and you have the option to sign up for it and of course cancel it before it charges you, so you can check it out for free, or you can choose to opt in and continue to pay for it, but it's your choice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my information here, and then I'm gonna advance through. Alright, so after I put in my password, it advanced me through. There goes my name there, Nathan, and then the voice controls. You can definitely use voice activation through Alexa using the Hulu app, and then it advances us in, and now we can use the Hulu app for movies, TV shows, and live TV. But I hope you were able to get this installed. Once again, thank you for watching. Go ahead and share this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Peace.